In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust the line spacing in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. If you've ever typed out a paragraph and felt like the lines were too close together or too far apart, what you're looking to change is something called leading. Adjusting leading helps improve readability, layout balance, and overall design quality. Whether you're working on a flyer, social media graphic, poster, or logo layout, controlling line spacing is an essential skill in Illustrator. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Adobe Illustrator project and locate the text you want to adjust. To change the line spacing, you need to either click directly inside the text or select the entire text object. If you're working with paragraph text, you can double-click to enter text editing mode and highlight specific lines. If you want to adjust spacing for the whole block of text, simply select the text box using the selection tool, which is the black arrow. The important thing here is to make sure the text is actively selected. If nothing is selected, the spacing options won't apply to your text, so always confirm that your text is highlighted or that the text object is selected before moving forward. Once your text is selected, go up to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Properties. This will open the Properties panel, usually on the right-hand side of your screen. The Properties panel gives you quick access to many commonly used settings, including alignment, appearance, and character controls. If you don't immediately see all the text settings, scroll within the Properties panel until you find the section labeled Character. The Character section is where you control font family, font style, size, tracking, kerning, and most importantly for this tutorial, leading. Inside the Character section, look for the leading icon. The icon looks like two capital A letters stacked vertically with a small arrow between them. This symbol represents the space between lines of text. By default, Illustrator often sets leading to Auto, which calculates spacing based on your font size. While Auto works in many cases, manual adjustments give you much more precise control over your design. To adjust the line spacing, click into the leading value field. You can type in a specific number if you already know the spacing you want. The value is measured in points, just like font size. For example, if your font size is 24 points, you might try a leading value of 28 or 30 points to create more breathing room between lines. If you prefer to adjust visually, you can use the small up and down arrows next to the leading field to increase or decrease the spacing gradually. As you click the arrows, you'll see the line spacing update live on your artboard, allowing you to fine-tune the look until it feels balanced. If your lines feel cramped, increase the leading value. If they feel too spread out, decrease it. A good rule of thumb is to keep leading slightly larger than your font size for body text, while headlines can sometimes use tighter spacing for a bold effect. Take a moment to experiment and see how subtle changes can dramatically improve readability and overall design polish. And that's it. That's how you adjust the line spacing in Adobe Illustrator using the Properties panel and the leading control. It's a simple setting, but mastering it makes a huge difference in professional-looking designs. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.